Hi everyone, we have prepared the latest market updates for July the 7th, 2022. Goldman Sachs held the first Bitcoin futures trade. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are experiencing the recent bloodbath and collapse of cryptocurrency lenders and venture capital firms, Goldman Sachs has gotten involved in Bitcoin futures trading. The world's leading investment bank recognized the opportunity presented by this asset class and executed the first block trade in these futures in Asia. That transaction was brokered by GFI Securities LLC, a subsidiary of broker BGC Partners. The Bitcoin futures block trade is a watershed moment for Bitcoin holders, as it is the first time CME Group Bitcoin option contracts have been traded in the Asian market. While crypto investment firms and venture capital funds are turning away from cryptocurrencies and the risk that this asset class brings to investors' portfolios, Goldman Sachs has shown interest in Bitcoin. Back in December 2021, Goldman first used Bitcoin as collateral to make loans to institutions. The Bitcoin price chart shows the formation of a triangle pattern. After consecutive consolidation over the past 8 weeks, the Bitcoin price has recovered from its fall. The bullish upside target for a large-scale price rally is $28,604. Bitcoin is expected to continue its uptrend. GameStop announces stock split, shares soar. GameStop Corp's board of directors has approved a 4-to-1 stock split that will make it more affordable for investors to own shares of the video game retailer, which was at the center of last year's meme stock frenzy. The company's stock rose 5.8% to $124.49 in extended trading Wednesday after the announcement. Over the past 2 years, several major U.S. companies, including Apple, Tesla, and Amazon.com, have decided to split their stock. Stock splits make the stock more accessible to individual investors, lowering the price without sacrificing the company's value. In 2021, GameStop stock soared more than 680% thanks to retail traders on social media platforms such as Reddit, who were snapping up stocks that were in deep deficit, trying to squeeze out hedge funds betting against them. This year, the video game retailer's stock is down about 20% as the Ukraine crisis and fears of a global recession dampen sentiment. Oil price rises after falling the day before. Oil prices are rising Thursday after a decline in the previous session, growing fears that the weakening global economy will lead to a reduction in demand for oil, pushing the market down despite signals of lower supply of energy resources. Brent crude futures for September are $101.26 a barrel, 0.57% higher than at the close of the previous session. By that time, the price of WTI crude oil futures for August grew by 0.54%, up to $99.06 per barrel. At the close of trading on Wednesday, both contracts decreased in price by 2% and 1% respectively. WTI has fallen more than 9% since the beginning of the week, and its decline from March's peak of $123.7 per barrel has exceeded 20%, which is an indicator of a bearish trend. The American Petroleum Institute data published on Wednesday showed a 3.825 million barrel increase of oil reserves in the USA last week. The U.S. Department of Energy will release official data on inventories on Thursday. Experts polled by S&P Global Commodity Insights expect them to decline by 1.2 million barrels on average.